Welcome to our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community. If by chance you're in the YouTube Partner Program, monetization will show up in your Earn section of your left column, and that's in your YouTube Studio. So that's going to tell you if you're a YouTube partner, first of all, and if you are, these are the options that you have. This is just for YouTube partner. There are a lot of ways to monetize, but for YouTube partner, they pay on how many people are checking out your videos. So you want people to come and watch your videos, and they, depending on their arrangement with YouTube and with the advertisers and you, because you can actually choose if people are going to be compatible with your niche or completely opposite from your niche. You have some control over that. But once you do choose one of these, you have a little bit more selection. Like I said, we'll go over that in detail, but you get paid based on people watching your videos, how long they stay on, if they buy anything. So there's different levels of being compensated for it. It's pretty good. If you're a YouTube partner, it's a great way to start marketing your channel for that kind of thing, or a great goal to have is to become a YouTube partner, which is having 4,000 watch time hours per rolling 12 months and having 1,000 subscribers. But we also have one thing where you can have 500 subscribers, and then you're allowed to collect money from your viewers. And that's called the supers, where you can have people send you money for your thanks, giving you thanks for your videos. I mean, if you do lives, you can have asking people for money. If you've ever watched it on TikTok or other places where people send money, this would be the same thing. And all you have to do is have 500 subscribers. And also there's memberships. You have to have 1,000 subscribers for a membership. And once you do, you can set it up several different levels, several different payments, and you have several options on your channel where you can advertise your membership. Plus, you can also have a special menu tab where people can access the membership. And if you wanted to leave messages for your members or leave them videos that are just specific to them, you can upload your videos just to your members. So there's several things. If you have a membership with YouTube, it gives a lot of features. There's a link to share, plus they'll see a pop-up in the video. There'll be a menu tab. So there's several ways when somebody comes to your channel that they'll be able to see that you have a membership and possibly join. And then we have shopping. Now, there's a couple of things we're going to say about shopping. First of all, when you get to 1,000 subscribers, you have the option of a shop where you can put in print-on-demand products. And that YouTube has a couple of companies that it uses. And I think you could bring in some other companies. I just haven't done that part yet. But you can bring in people any other way. Even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, you can use print-on-demand companies, start building your own products, and you don't even have to have a store that you have to manage. There are some, like I'm a Shopify partner. Some people come in there, they have a lot of support with the print on demand, but they also have to participate. So it's almost like another business. And I loved it. I loved doing that, but it was a lot more work because I had to handle returns and customer service. If that's you, then yes, that might be an option for a Shopify store. Like I said, it's really great and some very big support systems there and some big companies that are doing it. But if you just wanted to set and forget, then there's plenty, I think it's Zazzle is out there, a couple of other ones. If you're thinking about it and you want to put it into the comments, that would be great. And I use Cafe Press for years and years, where I just put them up there, I change them around, I build a store, take down a store. Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library, brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.